In this tutorial, we are going to talk about interacting with assemblies in SimLab Desktop Viewer. Press H on your keyboard to toggle the hand. The hand has a fixed position at the center of the view, but can be moved away or towards you using the mouse scroll. Reach with the hand towards the rifle, and once it intersects with the rifle, you will notice that a yellow highlight has appeared. The yellow highlight indicates that the object can be grabbed. Hold the right click on your mouse to grab the object. Now you can move around at will, still holding the right click to relocate the rifle. Release the right click to let go of the grabbed object. Reach for the green outlined part of the rifle, which is a part that can be disassembled, and hold the right click to remove it from the rifle. While holding the magazine, the rifle will be outlined, indicating that you can place the magazine back on the rifle. To do so, move the hand towards the rifle and release the right click. You will also notice a blue outline on the board, indicating that you can place the magazine in there. Simply move the magazine towards it, and once the dock is highlighted, release the right click. The magazine's outline color will change to yellow, and a different part in the assembly sequence will turn green. Grab the green outlined object and place it on its dock on the board. Interacting with assemblies in the SimLab Desktop Viewer is very simple. The colored outlines and highlights will guide you throughout the assembly and disassembly process with ease and without any confusion.